Corner lots are hard to come by, but it's your lucky day because I have a corner lot for you. My new listing is nestled in a calm neighborhood just under 2 miles from downtown Sunnyvale with its Caltrain connection. Right down the street from Fair Oak Park, schools, and surrounded by major tech companies. With easy access to Highway 101, 237, and Central Expressway. Now, let's jump inside. As you step inside, new luxury SPC vinyl plank flooring leads you into a sun-filled open floor plan with high vaulted ceilings. Dual-pane windows fill space with natural light. The dining area connects to the family room before leading you into the kitchen, which features name brand appliances, an island with skylights above, vast cabinetry, a large pantry, and utility area with washer and dryer. Down the hall, we have 3 comfortably sized bedrooms with own walk-in closets and 2 full bathrooms with sun tubes for extra sunshine. Wondering how to create a primer suite? One possible option is to connect the bathroom adjacent to the bedroom direct to the room and close off the hallway entrance. With a simple bathroom reconfiguration, the space could potentially be transformed into a private ensuite bathroom. If you'd like to explore the idea further, we'd happy to connect you with our contractor for additional guidance. The backyard is a serene dream with a retractable overhang and gorgeous landscaping that makes you forget you're in the middle of the Silicon Valley. That brings my tour to an end. I'm RENNA, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.